Amazing trading strategy using the FX Scanner Pro, which can be downloaded at ultimatefxtools.com. We achieved good trading results on our recent trades, with positive results yielding almost 80 to 85% profit in return. Make sure to trade on standard trading currencies. We will trade every currency pair with at least a 1-minute purchase or expiry time. We have an older version of this indicator, but we have improved and analyzed it to beat the binary options market, especially when trading with a 1-minute expiry time. I will show you how to use the FX Scanner Pro to trade with the combination of moving average lines and CCI. The FX Scanner Pro will generate an arrow signal whenever the trend is going in a certain direction, whether it is trending or reversing. Just follow the trend and focus on the Metatrader IV chart with the FX Scanner arrows. Take a look at this chart we will use as an example. We have a recent arrow confirming the downtrend with our price market line shifting up. All the moving average lines are squeezing upward for the next seconds. Let's trade for it going higher, as we predicted that the trend will go up and might have an upward arrow to produce while we advance the generation of arrow of FX Scanner Pro. Got our winning trade on that one. We will trade with another example, waiting for the signal arrow to appear. Take a look at this one. Euro JPY creates a downward arrow, and it's also a good spot to trade down here since our moving average lines are parallel to each other. Let's trade going down on it. Got our winning trade on that. Follow us and like this video to get latest trading strategies trading with IQ Option and other trading brokers. Take a look at here. It generates a down arrow, and we confirm that the trend will go down as it is in a balanced state. Let's trade lower on it. It also creates an up arrow, but we hope that it will go down without hesitation. We're doing great on that. All lines go up with an uptrend arrow. This is the best way to trade going higher. A perfect trading method. Sometimes this strategy requires more patience and may need a lot of time to master.